Hi there everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to insert PDF in Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So let's get started. It's a very easy thing to do. What you need to do is to go to the presentation slide where you need to insert the PDF. After that, just tap on the insert option upper left side, and from here you will see an option called object. Tap on the object option, and from here create from file. Just tap on that, and now you need to browse throughout to the PDF that you want to insert. Here is the PDF file I want to insert. Tap on that and click on OK. Then again enter on OK, and here is the PDF file I have inserted. Now I need to make it bigger, and if I double tap on the PDF, it will be turned on. As you can see, here is the PDF. If I double tap on this file, this PDF file, and tap on the open, now as you can see, the PDF file has been opened. So that's how you can easily insert PDF on your PowerPoint slide. Thank you so much guys for watching.